Our Kel Tec P-15 pistol. Now, after a trip to the range, I had one issue with it, which was the grip safety. So I came home and I locked out the grip and magazine disconnect safeties, and I placed this backstrap onto the gun itself and went out and shot it just quickly. I was working on something else. Actually, I should do one gun at a time, but I was working on something else with another pistol, and I just was out there with it and said, let me try it. And this is what happened when I went out and shot the gun. Alright, we're out here with our Kel Tec P-15 again. If you've been following the videos, you've seen where I had issues with the grip safety, so I turned the two safeties off and added the back strap to see what's going on. Today we're just going to shoot it again. I got some of my reloads. I have a jacketed hollow point. It's a Remington bullet. I loaded these up a long time ago, like a couple thousand of them. And I still have a few rounds left. I said, you know what, since I'm testing these guns, I got less than 50 rounds. Let me shoot 10 through the Kel Tec P-15. And then we'll shoot some of my other reloads, and if they work okay, maybe we'll run the gun on the steel plates. Yeah, these are a little stiff. It's not bad. These loads are a little bit on the steep side. Yeah, another one. Get the magazine out. But we'll go look at the targets in a bit. Now I'll just load up a couple mags. I think these are Barry's bullets loaded on here. It's just a plinking round. I'm going to load a couple mags up. See how the gun does. Alright, I got 20 rounds of my reloads of Barry's bullet. Gonna see what we can get going here. Not bad. It's a good group. See what we do with the little grip on there. Change his point of impact and I'm closer to the bullseye. Okay, let's go look at the targets and maybe we'll go and try some steel plates. Okay, there were my jacketed hollow point loads, as you see, and those are pretty steep. You know, I loaded them a little on the hot side, but still, it kept all of them in the diamond. Alright. And just my regular hand loads. Very good group. There's like 5 of them right there. So this gun is very accurate. Okay, it's just me. I have to get used to it. This thing, even with the backstrap, fits well in my hand, shoots accurately. Not a single problem so far. And I mean, for the price I got it for, well worth the money. Alright, let's see if we can pop some plates. Okay, we're going to take our Kel Tec and see if we can knock down some steel plates. Start with the short end. Oh well. Shooting to the left. There we go. Getting better. Yeah, it's just practice and fooling around. But truthfully, this gun surprised me. I like this gun. It's holding together. It shoots very accurately. The grip, you know, I don't know, I may take the back strap off. I think I might have liked it better when it was a little smaller in my hand. And it's kind of the problem with the other gun. It's too big in my hand. For some reason, I shoot better with a thinner grip. That's just me personally. Okay. So, we went out after we made our modifications, and the problems are over. That misfire I had, or that accidental discharge because of my hand slipped off the safety. Now that the safety's there, that's not an issue. But this one here, it's probably a keeper. Alright guys. Yeah, I tried some little bit stouter ammo in it than the standard load, and I fired it, and again, there were no malfunctions. Everything worked, everything was fine, nothing rattled loose or fell apart. But with this extended grip on the back, it just didn't quite feel right in my hand. I like it without that extension. Okay, so when I came home, I took the screwdriver and pulled the thing off, and I'm going to leave it off and leave it as is, like this. I think it'll, for me, my grip, it shoots better, and I can control it better in my hand, smaller it is. The only thing I did notice is, now I'm thinking about, you know, tripping the mags. This one, when I hit the mag release, my hand stops the mag from falling out of the gun. You know, it'll shoot out of there, but the way my hand is, if I'm grasping the pistol and I go to release the magazine, it doesn't drop free because it's catching on the palm of my hand. So, not a big deal. If I was ever gonna carry this pistol, I probably would have just this 15 round mag in. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does with the little short, which is basically for concealed carry. Yep, again, having trouble getting my thumb on these mag releases, I'm finding out. So this is something I have to check with these guns. Yeah, and again, it's going to catch on the web of my hand. So. All right then, but we're doing good. We're going to take it out, shoot it some more. Like I said, I was surprised this gun is accurate. It's functions well, and I'm not having any of the problems they must have over the years, because these came out 2 years ago when a lot of these problems were arising with light strikes and this slide stop kind of coming loose when the floor plate of the mag hit it. I have not had any of those issues. So obviously Kel Tec has figured out what it is and has fixed it, at least with this particular gun. Hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned.